Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss in accounting about bookkeeping, accounting, and accountancy. Okay. So first of all, we'll talk about bookkeeping. Actually, bookkeeping is an art of recording business transaction, business dealings inside of books. This definition is given by J.R. Bartleby, and this definition considers a very good definition in the field of accounting. Actually, bookkeeping is actually nothing. It is just a recording of business transaction in the books of accounts. Okay, as soon as any transaction take place, we have to enter in our books. That is called bookkeeping. Some definitions are also there. You can read this definition. The mainly concerned with recording with record keeping, or it is mainly concerned with record keeping or maintenance of books of accounts. The maintenance of books of accounts includes the following four activities. So if we talk about the bookkeeping, we should know about these four activities, and all these four activities, when we talk about all these four activities, means we are talking about bookkeeping. Okay, the first activity is identifying the transaction of financial nature from amongst the various transactions. Okay, in our business life every day there are so many transactions that take place, but we don't record all the transactions in our book of accounts. We only record the transactions which are of financial nature, that can be measured in the terms of money. So first step is we have to identify the transactions. Okay, next is measuring the identified transaction in terms of money. Obviously, if a transaction has taken place, you have to measure that what is the amount of that transaction. Is the transaction can be measured in the terms of money? If it is not, it will be left. Okay, so if it can be measured in the terms of money, then it should have some value in money, only then it will be recorded. Okay, and the next activity is recording the identified transactions in the books of original entry. Then when we when we identify the transaction, then we have to record in our books, and these books are called the books of original entry. Original entry means as soon as an transaction takes place, it is recorded in this type of books, or from these type of books it is further classified into various types of books. So the that's why these books are called the books of original entry. Next is classifying them into ledger. Actually, ledger is just a separate account of every transaction. Every if suppose if we have sold some goods, so we have to maintain a sales account. If we have purchased the goods, take, so we have to maintain a purchase account. So for every transaction there must be a separate account, take, and these separate accounts are called ledgers. Okay, and when we transfer this transaction from this original book of entries, original book of the book of original entry, we have to transfer this transaction to the ledger, and the process of transferring the transaction is called posting. Okay, so this is about the bookkeeping. In short, you can say that bookkeeping is just maintaining of records in a systematic way. Next is accounting. Accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. You can say that accounting starts after ledger. Okay, it includes the following activities. Number one, summarizing the classified transaction in the form of profit and loss account and balance sheet. Actually, after we have prepared the ledgers, we have to prepare a trial balance, and I should tell you that preparation of trial balance, actually it is not necessary, but businessman prepares the trial balance because just to check the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts. Okay, so after preparing the trial balance, the profit and loss account has to be prepared and balance sheet. Okay, or what is profit and loss account and what is balance sheet, we have already discussed in our previous video. Next is analyzing and interpreting the summarized results. In other words, drawing the meaningful information from profit and loss account and balance sheet. Actually, we have prepared the profit and loss account. So why we are preparing the profit and loss account? We just want to know whether our business is running in profit or in loss. Means we have to draw some meaningful information from our profit and loss account. So this is called interpretation of our accounts. And obviously, when we talk about the balance sheet, we have to know that what is the current financial position of our business. So that's why we have to prepare balance sheet. So from balance sheet, we also draw some meaningful information. And when we have all the information, the next step is communicating the information to the interested parties. We have to pass the information to the various parties, various user of accounting information. We have discussed about the various users of accounting in accounting users. So in our previous video, there are some government, some researchers, employees, traders, investors. All these are the users of accounting information. So we have to pass this information to accounting users. And the next one is accountancy. It refers to a systematic knowledge of accounting concerned with the principles and techniques which are applied in accounting. It tells us how to prepare the books of accounts, how to summarize the accounting information, and how to communicate it to the interested parties. Actually, accounting, you can say accounting is a process of doing the accounting work. You can say this. Okay. A scholar, according to Kohler, accountancy refers to the entire body of theory and practice of accounting. This is what I am saying. Accounting, you can say it is a collection of rules and principles, and it is a process of recording and interpretation of results. All these are considered accountancy. So some difference in bookkeeping and accounting. Today we'll also discuss the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So if we talk about the scope, bookkeeping includes, we have already discussed these four. Okay. And accounting in addition to bookkeeping means this is also a part of accounting. Okay. We have already discussed these 3 points. If we talk about the stage, bookkeeping is a primary stage. Okay, primary stage. And because why it is called a primary stage, first of all, transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. That's why it is called a primary stage. And it is a secondary stage, and it starts after bookkeeping ends. The objective of bookkeeping is to maintain systematic records, and objective of accounting is to ascertain the net results. Okay, if you want to know the results of our business, we have to prepare accounting. Then nature of job, bookkeeping function routine and clerical in nature. Means a junior staff performs this type of entries in bookkeeping. So it is a routine work and it is clerical in nature, and accounting is analytical in nature. Who performs? It is performed by junior staff and it is performed by senior staff. Knowledge level, limited knowledge is required for bookkeeping and higher knowledge is required for accounting. And if we talk about analytical skill, so the bookkeeper is not required to possess analytical skill. इसके लिए बुक कीपिंग के लिए एनालिटिकल स्किल्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट फॉर accounting and the accountant is required to possess analytical skills. Then the difference between accounting and accountancy, if we talk about the meaning, it is concerned with recording, classifying and summarizing of transaction, and it is a body of knowledge preceding certain rules or principles to be observed while recording, classifying and summarizing of transaction. It is mainly, accountancy is mainly concerning with the rules. Okay. Scope, it is narrow in scope. Accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. इसका scope फिर भी थोड़ा सा in comparison to accountancy थोड़ा सा narrow है. Okay. It is much wider in scope and includes bookkeeping as well as accounting. Relation, it depends on bookkeeping obviously, and it depends on bookkeeping and accounting. ये bookkeeping और accounting दोनों पर depend करता है. If we talk about the function, the main function is to ascertain the net results and financial position of business and to communicate them to interested parties. ठीक है, this is the main function of accounting. We have already discussed the function of accounting. It includes the decision making function also. Means if you want to take some decision after analyzing, this comes under accountancy. Okay, so these are the difference between accounting and accountancy. Okay बच्चों, तो आप इसको अच्छे से वीडियो देख लीजिए and prepare your own notes. Okay, if you have any query then ask me. Thank you.